Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm wearing my beautiful hair dye t-shirt again because I am going to change my hair once again. I honestly don't know how I still have this much hair on my head because I dye my hair so many times and I do so many bad things to it. So I don't know how I still have this hair, but you know, as long as I have it, I'm going to change it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yay! So around 5 weeks ago I dyed my hair this color, this split hair dye. And if you've watched that video, you know that I did something wrong. I forgot to put toner on my hair before dyeing my hair silver. And I don't know why I forgot it, because I know that you need to tone your hair before dyeing it silver. But for some reason I just didn't think about doing that. So now I am stuck with a color that isn't really silver. I mean, it is silver. You can kind of see that it's supposed to be silver, but it's just not how I want it to be. Because if you're not going to use a toner before dyeing it silver, your hair is gonna end up looking green. And that is what has happened to me, unfortunately. On camera you can't really see it that well, to be honest, but in real life it is definitely green, especially like in the daylight when the sun is on it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just gonna try to remove this color and just do it all again. So I am going to use this color before color remover and I'm just going to see if this works. I've never used this before, but I've seen Tessa use it, and Tessa is a YouTuber as well, so I will link her video in the description box down below. I've seen her using this product a lot and it honestly just removes every color, at least it does on her. She has like removed pink with it, blue with it, green with it, I don't know, everything. It just looked so good that I just really want to try it out for myself. So I already washed my hair with an anti-dandruff shampoo because you need to get rid of all the oils in your hair before applying this product. So now my hair is totally ready, so I'm just going to put this product in my bowl and then I'm going to apply it to my hair and then we can just see what happens. I'm excited! So this kit comes with 3 separate things. The first one is the activator, then you have the remover, and then you have the buffer, and I'm pretty sure this is like a conditioner. So basically what you want to do is you want to mix parts A and B and apply that to your hair. And by the way, I'm only going to apply it to this part. I'm not going to apply it to this part of my hair. So I'm just going to section off my hair right now and then I'm ready to apply the color remover. This stuff smells really bad. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm just going to section my hair off and I'm going to apply it to my hair. Let's see what's gonna happen. This smells so incredibly bad. Oh my god. Covered in this hair remover stuff, and this stuff smells so incredibly gross. Oh my god, it smells like dirty river water. It is really gross. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to clip it up, get it away from my face because I'm pretty sure you don't want this stuff in your eye. Then I'm going to put a layer of this on my head to make sure that the warmth stays in my hair, because apparently this stuff works better when it's warm. So I'm just going to cover my head in this stuff and then I'm gonna wait. So I'm going to let this sit in my hair for approximately 60 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out and I'm going to put the buffer in my hair, and this is just to like condition it. So I'm going to do all that and then I'll be right back with the end result. So I am back with my new hair. Woo! As you can see, it worked really well. Like, oh my god, I am so impressed. It took like all the color out. It's crazy. You don't see any silver or blue or green at all anymore. Oh my god. It is still really yellow, but that's kind of how I wanted it to be, because now it's like perfect to put a toner on top of it. So this honestly is better than I expected it to be. Like, just look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. My hair really doesn't feel damaged or anything. It just feels exactly like my hair felt before I used the color remover. So yeah. I mean, this probably is damaging to the hair though, so like don't think it's not going to damage anything, but the damage is very minimal, so yeah. How amazing is this? Kinda wished I used this product when I removed the yellow from my hair instead of that vitamin C tablet thing, because that was a lot of work and this is way easier. But yeah guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I am also going to film like me putting the toner in my hair and stuff, but that video will come like after this one. So keep your eyes open for that one. Please don't forget to follow me on my makeup Instagram, my normal Instagram, and on Twitter. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because I would really appreciate that. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!